So what's up, everybody? It's Victor Bomi here. I'm out here at one of our renovation projects in the Atlanta, Georgia market. Just wanted to take you guys on a little tour. It's a recent property that we just closed on a few weeks ago. So as you can see, we've already started the demolition phase of the project. So I can tell you guys a little bit about the footprint of the property. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, about 1,500 square feet. It's one of my partners on the deal. Say what's up.
Ate up by mosquitoes.
Yeah. So this is
That fireplace is right there?
wow. So we've already demoed it.
Yeah, the fireplace is gone.
Wow. So let's talk to him. Let's talk to my followers. Let's tell them about the deal, kind of what we got going on here.
No. Close that up. This is gonna be the master. It used to be the kitchen.
Okay. So we
You know it's gonna be steps to go down there now. The steps going over here. Here, look. Oh, man. So that dining area, that's over there.
Okay.
So that wall gotta come out.
They got it here. It's gonna be an open floor plan. Okay.
And then see that wall over there, that yellow wall?
Yeah.
That's the steps right here.
Okay.
So the steps are gonna go down there on that wall.
Okay. So there is a basement down there. So we're gonna try to finish it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, you know, the kitchen, all this is gonna be done.
Right.
And then the kitchen is gonna be there.
Okay.
So all this right here is gone. So all this will be open. Then it's gonna be a small wall right here. Then there's gonna be steps.
Okay.
You go down the basement here. And dining.
So
Yeah,
guys.
this wall is gonna come out more. It's about right here.
Okay.
And then it's gonna be master bath right here. And that bathroom is gonna stay where it is. And the laundry room is gonna be downstairs. Yeah, that's gonna be a nice big master bedroom.
It is. It is. So property appraised for about $280,000. So we're hoping we can sell it for just a little bit more than that. Let you guys take a look at some of the plans for the property. Let's go into another bedroom right here. All right. So this is going to be a bathroom as well. And then here is another bedroom for the property. Let me take you guys out back, show you guys what's going on outside the property. Take a look at the neighborhood right here. It's a nice, quiet neighborhood, so that's what you want in your investment properties. So this is the side of the house. As you can see, we've already done a little bit of framing on the roof right there. Now what we're doing back here is we are clearing out the backyard a little bit.
Is that long the driveway though?
Yeah, very, very long driveway.
Always come in there.
Very long driveway. So I hope you guys see the vision. We don't see it yet, but this baby is going to look like a beauty in just a couple of months. Step back a little bit so you guys can see the property. There's a dumpster right there. So yeah, so this is a project on the west side of Atlanta that we are currently renovating. So if you want to learn how to invest in real estate or even just partner with us on some of our deals, please be sure to reach out to me. My telephone number is 678-786-4462. Again, this is only for serious investors. So if you are interested in doing business and investing in the Atlanta area, be a part of deals like this, be sure to give me a call or email me. We teach people how to create wealth and invest in Atlanta real estate. I'm looking forward to completing this renovation project and putting it back on the open market and rinsing and repeating the process all over again. Nasim, so this property is actually on the west side of Atlanta, the hot area on the west side of Atlanta, Georgia. That's where it's located. So we picked it up actually for $135,000. Got a bid right around $70K, and the property appraised for $280K. So those are the numbers on the property in case you want to know. Show you guys the neighborhood again. So this is ATL Real Estate. It's what we do. If you guys are interested in being a part of our deals, part of our projects, send me a DM, call me, email me, and let's do some business, guys. I'm out.